Pull on a Hero Honda for you. It talks of Hero Investments to buy out Honda's 26% stake in the joint venture. Now, do remember, Hero Investments pledged about 10.6 million shares with Al-Nafas Trust on the 1st of March to actually, and they filed it saying that the 5.3% stake is worth about 16.3 billion rupees. That's about $362 million. They are going to be picking up this stake. The price also would just come up on your screens. They are looking to pick up the 26% stake in Hero Honda. 700 odd is the price. 739.97 rupees per share is what they are paying for this 26% stake of Honda in the Hero Honda venture. But more details on the same. This will probably be over by the 22nd of March. Yes, Hero Investments will buy Honda stake on March 22nd. And those are the flashes coming out on your screen. Let's go across to Vishal for more details on the same and what exactly he's been reading into this development there. Hi, Vishal.
Hi, Devana. Yes, a fairly strong discount that we have seen of Hero Investments acquiring the Honda stake of Honda Motors in Hero Honda, 740 rupees. That's a sharp discount from the current stock price that we are seeing of close to 1500. So that's almost half the price that we are seeing. Of course, just the entire deal structure for the company, as has been mentioned previously, when it comes to this entity, is that Hero Group would be acquiring the 26% stake from Honda and putting it in the SPV, and post that in the SPV they would be looking to sell part of that stake. The numbers that we are hearing are close to about 15 to 16% that they will be selling off the entire 26% to private equity players. But yes, I think just a key point today in terms of development is the type of sharp pricing. The numbers that we were earlier talking about were close to those levels, about 1,000 rupees per share. So yes, this comes as essentially a big knocker that we have seen in terms of the entire structure, or rather surprise to most analysts regarding the pricing that we are seeing for this deal. Of course, we'll have to wait and watch at what price does eventually Hero Group sell part of this stake that they've acquired from Honda to private equity players. That will be the entire determining factor, because of course just the key element within this was that the numbers we were talking earlier was that they would be acquiring close to 1,000 in terms of 1,000 rupees to 1,200 rupees this stake from Honda Motors, and then post that probably selling at a price of close to 1,400. Now this price coming in at such a big discount that we are seeing, it'll be interesting to watch what type of pricing do private equity players and Hero Group really agree, because in these times the Hero Honda promoters seem to have got an extremely good deal from Honda Motors at 740 rupees per share. And as I said at the start, that's almost a 50% discount to its current stock price. Remember, just when they announced that deal, I think the stock price was close to about 1,800 to 1,850, 1,900 rupees per share. So yes, on a fairly modest stock price that we have seen after correction of this deal, this is still 50% lower. So yes, I think it's a very interesting development that's come across. The stock price is reacting to it, but on its part, Hero Honda promoters certainly seem to have got an extremely good deal via this transaction.